SergFlicks.
I wanna go back to the 50s, well, life is easy. Take a ride in Cadillac and have a party. A rock pop kissing baby, Wanda is a queen. I wanna go back to the 50s, to feel the rock, to swing the road, twist and shout on dancing floor and eat cotton candy. A rock pop kissing baby, bang bang love machine. All I want is rockabilly guys, make my heart beat. All I want is rockin' cat, make my heart beat. A rock pop kissing baby, bang bang love machine. And if you're good to me, I'll let you hold my hand. And if you make me smile, I'll let you bring me to the dance.
Hey, honey,
What do you want, Mr. Presley?
you wanna go out first, then?
Oh, sorry, I'm too busy today. Okay, stop crying, I'll go.
Baby boom rock, baby boom boom off again. Do bop, shoo bop, wop bop, loo bop, bopping, rocking till we dead. Rock bop, kissing baby, I want a time machine. All I want is rockabilly guys, make my heart beat. All I want is rockin' cat to make my heart beat. Rock bop, kissing baby, bang bang love machine. And if you're good to me, I'll let you hold my hand. And if you break my heart,
I'll kick your ass.
all I want is rockabilly guys, make my heart beat. All I want is rockin' cat to make my heart beat. Rock bop kissing baby, bang bang love machine.
Well, I rode my bike into town just the other day. When I looked up and I saw two girls, they were coming my way. And to my delight, they were quite a sight. They said, "Hey there, what you doing tonight?" I said, "I don't know, girls, but things is looking pretty bright." Well, I put them on my bike and we headed on down the road. We were going to have some fun at a place that they'd known. When we rode in that party, was swinging just right. Everybody said, "Hey, what you doing tonight with those two little cuties that are holding on to you so tight?" I said, "I'm getting that double-A booty. Can't you see? Alicia and Elena got the hots for me. And I don't know what I'm doing right. I got Alicia on my left, Elena on my right. Things are really looking good for tonight. I'm getting double-A booty, baby. That's for me." that floor just a swinging left and right. They were holding on and squeezing me real tight. Everybody wants to dance across that floor. You could hear them yelling, screaming with a roar. What you doing with those little dancing beauties tonight? I said I'm getting that double A booty. Can't you see? Alicia and Elena got the hots for me, and I don't know what I'm doing right. I got Alicia on my left, Elena on my right. Things are really looking good for tonight. I'm getting double A booty, and baby, that's for me. I'm getting double A booty. I say double A booty with two of the prettiest girls I've ever seen. This has never ever happened to me before. Watch them spin me across this floor. I'm getting double A booty, and baby, that's for me. I'm getting double A booty, can't you see? Man, this is kinda crazy. I'm getting double A booty, and baby, that's for me.
Just a fool in love with you. Earth angel, the one I adore. Love you forever and evermore. I'm just a fool in love with you. I fell for you, and I knew the vision of your love's loveliness. I hope and I pray that someday I'll be the vision of your happiness. Earth angel, please be mine, my darling dear. Love you all the time. I'm just a fool in love with you. I fell for you, and I knew the vision of your love's loveliness. I
If there was no black, there'd be no white. If there was no wrong, there'd be no right. If there was no cold, there'd be no heat. If there was no rhyming, well, there'd be no beat. And if there was no rain, then the flowers wouldn't grow. There'd be no fishing, cause the rivers wouldn't flow. Storms come along from time to time, but behind the clouds, the sun still shines. La 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 la. If I had all the money that I ever earned, if I had no bills and my pockets didn't burn, I'd be no better off than any other guy. But you can't patch a hole with a worried mind. My daddy made his money, but he drank it all away. So mama had to work every day. Daddy died on a cold winter's day with a troubled mind in a troubled way. But hey, if there was no black, there'd be no white. If there was no wrong, there'd be no right. If there was no cold, there'd be no heat. If there was no rhyme, there'd be no beat. And if there was no rain and the flowers wouldn't grow, there'd be no fishing, cause the rivers wouldn't flow. Storms come along from time to time, find those who love and hold them tight. La 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 la. Got everything that a man could need. At so in time, got me plenty to see. My grandson smiles at me at night. My belly's full, but I still get tight. Sometimes I get scared, but I don't know why. I'm a nervous man, I'm an anxious guy. So I pray to the Lord for some peace of mind. And he told me the truth in my little rhyme. Yeah, if there was no black, there'd be no white. If there was no wrong, there'd be no right. If there was no cold, there'd be no heat. If there was no rhyming, well, there'd be no beat. And if there was no rain and a flower